Really? You had to turn on the flashlight? Flashlight Linda. Don't shine that in the face. Linda!
What?
I want to show you a magic trick. Watch this magic trick.
I am so very happy for her.
Jamie's got a nice part in those jeans.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay. A couple months ago when I was down here, my name is Jamie Glanville, and I just wanted to say that I wanted to show you a little magic trick here. What's wrong with this guy over here? How come he's cracking up laughing? But here, last time you heard the I wowed you with my 30 cow joke.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna wow you with the turn the toilet paper. Okay, fold it. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm gonna turn an ordinary piece of tissue paper into a bird. Okay? a white. It'll be nice. Okay. Make a fist. Take the tissue. Reel it back. Reel it back.
That wasn't funny.
You laugh, Linda.
No, I did not.
Laugh and Linda. You did.
Lie.
Lie and Linda. Lie and Linda.
Laugh and lie.